Hello. Hi. Sorry. I don't usually do videos like this. I don't usually do videos on this day, but here I am. And there's a reason behind it. Let me just start this by saying that I am guilty of this, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are guilty of this too, of being so focused on your own life and your own problems, as minute as they are, that sometimes you forget to think about what's happening in the world. And for the past few weeks, I've been so intensely enjoying Filipino acts and culture and just getting to know you guys as human beings. And today I received a message from my cyber bestie Jerome, and this is what he told me. He said, "Shan, bam, I almost forgot about this video. That really made me cry and just remembered it now that my country has just been in a very huge earthquake just a while ago, and news are just coming in about the damages it brought to other towns here. Good thing my family is safe and our house is still intact, but yeah, it's sad here right now. This video is highly suggested for you to react to. I know this will give you so much awareness to so many people, and for sure you will also be very impressed by this. And also listen to the judges' critics about this talented Filipino act that we have. I'm 100% sure you haven't seen an act like this before. This is not the usual singing Filipino talent, but so much more than that." And then he gave me the link, and I'm about to watch it, but I want to finish this. "The earthquake was a magnitude 6.1 earthquake, and as time goes by, news gets worse and worse. My friends and I will definitely be out next week sending as much help as we can, supplies and all that. But as Filipinos, we always get through it with a smile. Just enough prayers will make us, if we lift each other up here again." Yeah. And he sent me a lot more things. So if you guys can just pray for the Philippines right now, pray for the countries that go through natural disasters, pray for the people that are sick, if you believe in prayer. If you don't, just send good vibes. Right now, Jerome hasn't given me any links to donate or anything like that, but the second that I get a hold of something like that, I will make sure that I put it in the bio and myself donate what I can. But for now, I am gonna listen to this video. My heart goes out to you guys. You are in my prayers, and I will be more aware of the things that go on in this world, and I will be less of a brat about the minute problems in my own life. Let's all be more aware of our brothers and our sisters around the world, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and listen to this, guys. It's called El Gama's touching tribute to Mother Nature, Asia's Got Talent. Oh, Pocahontas. Oh, man. Wow. Wow.
Let's go to our judges. All right. Well done,
Amazing,
guys.
amazing.
Angun, you're looking a little teary over there.
Aww.
I actually promised not to cry tonight. What really makes me fall in love with you, with your performance, is the fact that the possibility of messages that you can put is endless. And tonight you raise awareness of how important the Mother Nature is. You know what? Our job as entertainers, we are here to entertain people, but if we can raise awareness on a subject that really matters, that makes our job more noble. And that wonderful, wonderful performance.
All right, David?
Your message is so clear every time you're on the stage. It's so beautifully profound.
Who are these people? Why am I just now learning about them?
Could use more people like you. You're so on point. There's 13 of you. In America, at least, 13 is an unlucky number, but 13 is going to be a very lucky number for you.
Melanie?
The thing that stands out tonight is each time we've seen you, there's been a shorter gap and less rehearsal time, but it's got even more incredible, and that is just down to sheer hard work, your creativity, and, you know, I salute you. Wonderful.
Vanessa?
Such a moving performance that you guys did. It's very touching, very emotional. And, you know, we as entertainers, artists, you know, whatever, we actually have a responsibility, because when we say something, people will actually listen. And you guys are a great example of that. And just thank you guys for your message.
Great comment from the judges. Thank you so much. Guys, I've got to ask,
That was beautiful. Jerome, thank you for that. And thank you for sharing with me what's going on right now in your country. That was beautiful. And he told me specifically, I never usually listen to the judges' comments, but he specifically asked me to, and I can see why, because everything they said was so on point. You know, these people are artists, and they used their artistic power to bring awareness to something so important, you know? Sorry guys, I'm gonna be praying. Y'all are in my prayers, and please, if anyone has a link to some fund or some way that I can help, Jerome says right now, just pray, and he'll let me know if there's anything else needed. And he also said, you know, that they're just keeping the smiles on their faces, and just the end of that video was so beautiful. The hope that you still have despite disaster, you know. You guys are in my hearts and in my prayers, and yeah. So I'm gonna sorry guys. That's how I'm gonna end this video, but I'll be praying for you guys, and yeah.